Today I will be installing this F150 Tailgate assist. I will leave link in the description if you're interested in getting this item. I had it for a while now and I finally have the time to do it. It's really easy to do. I'm gonna show you how. They even provide you with like a color picture to show exactly what to do. They already include everything. You're just swapping out this part. I guess not really swapping out, adding this part onto it. But the one thing you gotta make sure you do is when you take that bowl out, make sure you put the black one they give you with it instead of the factory one, because I don't think the tailgate will have enough room to close. So I'll show you that later. Let's get it started. They also provide you with this key that you can unscrew this. It's almost out. Now I'm gonna take this part out first. Just lift your tailgate a little bit and take it out, and you can finish unscrew this with your hand. And next you're gonna take that smaller metal bracket that they provide you with. Use the same bowl and the washer, just put it through and put it back into place. That's all you gotta do with this part, really easy. I'm gonna finish unscrew this one and move on to the next part. I'm making sure that I'm screwed in really tight. Now let's move to the bottom bracket. I'm almost done unscrewing those two bolts. I'm gonna take them out and put the next bracket on top. This one is out. You're not gonna be able to use this one. Make sure you use the black one they provide you at the top, and we're still gonna use the bottom one. I wish I was able to take this washer out and put it on the black one, but it won't come out. But if you have a washer available, I would suggest that you put it onto this before you put it in. Maybe I'll do it later because I don't have one with me right now. So you just place this bracket here like so. You put the original bolt at the bottom and the black bolt at the top. So the bolt that come with the package, use the X key. Make sure you have one. If you don't have one, go to your local store and get one, or I will leave a link in the description. You can also get it that way if you want. Let's put it in. Both brackets are on. Now the only thing left to do is to put the shaft on. The way you put it on is the fat part go on the top and the skinny part go on the bottom. This one is on. Let's do the top part. You're gonna have to lift your lift gate halfway at the angle and put it on and push it on like the bottom part, just the same way, and it's on. Now let's try to see if it works. And look at that, it's working pretty well. And the last step to this process is to just hook on back your strap. So let's do that now. The tailgate closes just like it used to, and when you open it up and pull it down, it does not slam down. I'll leave link for the kit on Amazon and also a link for the hex key if you don't have one, and I would really appreciate it if you use my link if you were already planning on buying them. Thank you very much. Have a good one.